He says, Kaliyuga have made man so that they do not respect even their own kin and kith. Long ago, even in Trinidad here, when you say kaka, mausa, mausi, niece and daughter or anything, people kept to that. You see, but Kaliyuga people will become so that they would have no respect, no barriers left. What ought not to be done, it will be done. You take a look at the papers. Contentment will take a back seat, hence we cannot be happy. Everyone will be prepared to make this effort that they can make livelihood very easy. They should be able to live without working. Envy, hate, malice will be there. He said there will be no human being. Very rare a human will think of another human being suffering. Tanuposhaka. All will begin to think about how to mine myself and that which belongs to me. Say belongs to me. Nothing belongs to anybody. That is the brand and the type of people we'll have in Kaliyuga. Very rare you will see a person thinking of the other person and says, their belly should be filled too. This does not say that you should not accumulate to be rich. Thank God if riches are given to you. It's a virtue. But put it to proper use. Maintain yourself, maintain your family, give charity. Look at the world and do nice things with it now. Because riches have three ways. One to make you happy, and the other to make you unhappy, or to give charity. This is it. Like the story of the gold brick. The man took all his wealth because he afraid thief go thief him money. So he make a big, fat, beautiful golden brick. And he keep digging and burying. Then he watch right from next day, say, now to go find it here. Next spot, third spot. And a neighbor from Iluva seen this thing each day. He said, but what he digging and burying day after day gone? Whole 3 months passed. So he take a dig when this fella gone and he see was a gold brick. So he take it and he put an ordinary brick. When neighbor come and dig up that in the evening, he fall faint tears. He say, oh God, I'm dead. The neighbor run come. He say, what happened? He say, well, neighbor dead. He say, but you're still talking. How come you're dead? He say, well, all my life saving. He say, what you mean? He say, well, I convert everything to a gold brick and look, this is what happened. He said, well, what you was doing with this golden brick? He said, dig in and bury. He said, the brick goes serve the same purpose, fix up. You take all the wealth and eat mar and bhat, and when you hear the boy get big, you go buy Toyota and write telephone post, you got you. Enjoy it here a little bit too. Give dan, do yajna, do something. Don't put it there to be wasted.